So we start with some butter, sugar, salt, vanilla extract, some eggs, isa-isa lang, and then yogurt, cocoa powder, buttermilk, flour, baking soda, and baking powder, and then the rocky stuff. So roasted nuts, marshmallows, mini Oreos, chocolate chips, and then let's put it in our liners. And then let's top it with more of those nuts and marshmallows and Oreos. And then we're ready to bake. 20 minutes in the oven and you get your most beautiful Rocky Road muffins. See? Pertinggo pa, halami kay pagka-melt sa marshmallows. Intact gihapon na to ang Oreos. Wala na to nakalimutag top di ay og chocolate chips. But you see the kilig in my face when I tasted it first. Lami kayo. Lami kay perfect kayo. Moist. And then, very chocolatey. Lami kayo ang nuts. Nagmelt ang marshmallows. It's just so yummy. Perfect.